Hello and welcome to Loveliness by Nature. In the kitchen today, I'm going to show you how to make a drink that is not only good looking and delicious, but will help you to up your bedroom game to the maximum by giving you extra stamina all night long. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Thank you. Guys, let's get our drink prepared. We are all already familiar with watermelon and its benefit to our sexual life. This popular beautiful fruit is richer in citrulline, which helps to dilate your blood vessel, just like Viagra. When blood is relaxed and dilated, it travels fast, giving you a quick spark to attain and maintain erection. Your woman has now got less work to do in arousing you because watermelon has already done most of the job for you. We are going to add more Viagra-like fruit to it, and that is strawberry. Because it is high in vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to boost your libido. It also contains zinc. Strawberry provides sustainable energy without the sugar crash. You will use half size of the bell pepper. Just as chili is spicy on your tongue, so is bell pepper to your sex life. Now you know why African men never get tired. Because they add pepper to their food always. It improves circulation. Cut and add it to the remaining ingredients. Use a thumb size of ginger. You can peel or unpeel. Cut and add it to the remaining ingredients. Also use coconut. Coconut is great energy source. What else do you need if not for energy? And this is what coconut is going to give to you. Slice your coconuts to the minimum. If you don't have enough fluid or liquid from your coconut, please get some from the shop. Add all this into your blender and blend smoothly. You can drink it almost now, but for smooth consistency, you are going to sieve it out using the cheesecloth or improvise using the strainer in your kitchen. Don't overload it when you are doing this. Do it little by little. I have many more videos here that can help you to keep your bedroom affair in high performance. Do check it, it's right up there. Now add your juice of lemon. Do subscribe to this channel. Give this a romantic stir. And your stamina enhancer is ready. Look at how beautiful that looks. A glass in the morning and a glass in the evening is all that you need, and your joystick is ready to give you joy to both you and your partner. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.